Hi, I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnay Diamantisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnay Quezon the First. What I could just say is I am about to continue to talk about a while ago about I am on the portion of Gab Kid, and then before that there is voice shouts and surroundings on myself in here of saying I to call that alamat in English legend, and then the voice is Mark Leo Lorenzo. I not think of them. So I will proceed now. I not know the reason of why they not want me to talk about year 20 year 2020, year 2021, year 2022. They is avoiding me to talk about those years. I just noticed it because I tends to go back on year 2018 mostly, and then hurting about weird. Alex lover ko. I just love Alex Jr. ko. When it comes onto this one, when it comes onto that, the definition of love in there is when I cite the rosary, it is so captivated. It captivates me. Over in I want to as well wear, but I am a bride of Alex Jr. po. What the description of the right eye is putting me on disaster of such as harassment, traumatization, and then the person is bullying me, bobo camouflage, short height, criminal, killer, sexual abusive. Bobo ko, yan na naman, sisingit na naman ang may talking. That person is killer on this situation. And then on my mind, they is on putting scareness on myself about SEX, which is I am to Alex Jr. ko only. That is their criminality. They is pervert. Pervertness of them is intensity 1 to 10. They tends to kill the person. That is why I need help from other country because pervertness of them is killer, being killer of them. I will talk now. Mm, it is evening today, and then I just eat pancit that my mother cooked. What else could I say? At the moment I am talking, there is a person on my right ear of such as they tends to ruin the situation of myself on talking because of they is killer. So I will talk now. So when Gab Kid is on badminton, playing to his fellow friend, another, my right eye, the right eye of myself does not stop. does not stop, does not stop does not stop to look, such as tingnan mo siya, ano yung itsura, ano masasabi mo sa kanya, something such that. In English, look at him, what you could say about him. That is what the right eye is saying when I am near on Kid. I not know the reason. And then while I talk on my mouth, inside of my mouth, in here, saying something such that. So when I sight Kid, I notice feeling of myself is on Kid, being high schooler. Lover ko, Alex ko. And then, feeling of myself uh, being high schooler. And then, yeah, what else it is? Combination of me and Alex Jr. ko. I not know the reason. While I talk, on the right eye is the mother of, the photo is mother of the kid. Aray ko. And then, on the back of the mother of the kid is kabit number 2, Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri, from University Kadiri, Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. Please help me. They is killing me. Lover ko only is Alex Jr. ko. They is doing pervertness on my reproductive organ. Year 2023, they tends to put diabetes on a situation of uh, peeing. I will talk now. When I sight a kid playing, I think about body parts of him. And then it is a symbol of me and Alex ko. Each of body part of Gab Kid. And then, Gab Kid calls me ate. And then, Gab Kid, when I sight Gab Kid, feelings of myself is on him. The feeling about is my high school year. That feeling is mine. Wait lang. That feeling is mine. It is about self-existence. Such as these vibes. It is being removed on myself year 2021. What I call it is such as charismatic. I not know the reason. That is how I sight the kid. The rapist. Emiko. They forces me when it comes to rapists, and then what they just will do is harass me. They is the person that is such that word. Which is they should be killed, they should be dead. Bad person they is. Please help me from other country because myself is being killed. And then That is what is being removed on myself. That is why I talk. I tend to talk because it I could not find it, especially on my eye. My eye is T number letter T and letter number 2. It turns to letter T and number 10. The color of the eye. Light brown is letter two, number 2. And then dark brown is letter T, number 2, number 10. They tend to do something. And then I notice there is on the right, on the left eye, American Eagle. It pertains to, uh, I not know if it is Alex Jr. ko. And then on the right eye is face of Prince Charming. Nandidiri ako. Tahimik ko. Tao ako. Bastos day is. Pervert day is. And then day is bad person. I just only love Alex Jr. ko. What count already? Should I say that? Ang bastos. Pokpokin niya nanay niya. Yung nanay niya yung pokpokin niya. Pokpok, GRO. Gawin niyang GRO nanay niya. Kakadiri. Illness days. Ill days. I need to talk talaga because myself is being killed on the use of black magic. What else? They not stop. They will just stop if they already dead, I think. Next, what will I say? Is it will back? What I could just on myself is such this fat. Not no. Does it being removed on myself? I not think so. I think it is natural when it comes onto self. Am I on myself it is being removed? They use black magic, the right ear. Is that why my self presence is somehow not awake? Not no. Damn it po. My tooth is ache at the moment. Mama, may pawn stand pa? And then, my self-description during high school fast mode on body movement. What I notice is slow-mo. Not know why. But sometimes I am fast mode while walking. Tingin ko. Bobo camouflage in here is criminal. The truthfulness bullying me just because of wedding. That is, my wedding is to Alex Jr. ko. Wedding is what they ruining. That is the truthfulness. They is killer. And then I not think of them. They is papansin tends to be noticed. That is how they disrespectful. Does not know how to respect. Does not know discipline. I not want in here. I want that America. Bullying, nakakadiri. Criminal they is. not know when it comes to American Eagle. Falcon there is Falcon. American Eagle Falcon. The brown feather and then yellow beak and then white head. And then I already see that when it comes to Philippine Eagle. About such this one and then the description of it is shadow. I will talk they not want me to talk about it because it is I not know about it. Of such as if I say such that what the description on the right eye is ano yun? Nagkaroon ka lang ng ganyan eh. Porke nagkaroon ka lang ng ganyan. That is their sentence. Just because you have such that, something such that. Na ano. That is why I am behave when it comes to Philippine Eagle. That is their wordings. Sus, nagkaroon ka lang ng ganyan. They will pertains it unto boastfulness even though not boastful. Time ito. That is pertains on the eye as well. American Eagle. Time ito. I not know about something such that. I feel irritated. What else could they say? Cupcake is talking suddenly and then there is no person such as I don't know if Cupcake says that Emito. Ilocano is what Cupcake says. Such as la. Ayan na pagtayin na ilaw. Ayan na pagtayin na ilaw. Ayusin mo yung lalanganin ka dyan ng ano mo. Nay! Patay mo ilaw ah. Kuni ah. Patay mo ilaw ah. Saya yan. Likato na rin. And then, la definition of it is such as the, or oh my. It is a expression. That is what I could just say in there. What else could I say? Wait lang. Yan. What else could I say? Yun. On that location, my memory is returned. There is casket. My first sight it. Year 2012. There is casket in there. My memory returned. And then, ay, there we go. But my memory returned during September 2024 about casket. And then, and then, when GovKid is already on the plant, myself is already something about feeling of baby. The right eye is on fast mode. Baby, such as mother and child, mother and own child. I don't know why. And then, feeling during that moment when GovKid go at plant, multiple count of plant, the feeling uh, arises and then it is about mother and own child. How weird. Does it bother me? Bother me? Why such that? It is such as towards GNU. Why? So if it is from right eye, it is such as GNU towards the chest of myself. Weird. And then the kabit. Kabit number 2 is watching. But person betrayed. She's looking good kid and then angry. On my right eye such as, ala, something. May anak sila. May anak. There is a child. She say, akin lang Alex ko. And then, civil engineer Alex ko. That about plant, it is panaginip year 20. 18. Panaginip year 2018 happens September 2024. So that is correct. Oh, year 2018 it is panaginip. And then, when I talk, what is being shown is year 2024 is the basis of Kabit number 2. I not know why. And then it leads to, because they look during year 2017 of what I say on my previous camera. Not know. I will talk now. No, me and Alex Jr. ko has a moment during year 2019 about Facebook face of Alex ko. I am on Gabkit talking. Weird no? That is weird. Not know them and then they tends to papansin, tends to be noticed. Talk. The American lingers on my right eye saying, annoy. And then, um, oh, during, I say that on my Facebook live video, I cite the child of Kabit number 2 and then getting of my uh, thinking process, knowledge, intelligence, life existence. Oh, shit. During on the bus, I feel, I talk on in Chick dialect I not know about it. Grabe! Magpaison pitil. I not know in Chick dialect. And then, what else could I say? When I walk indoor, memory flows. And then myself wants to behave, I feel scared. I feel scared to a person of what, ko. I feel scared to the person when I sight and then I sight them on casket. Ko. Hello ka. Ay. And then, feeling. It is on feeling of what will I say already. The next day or previous day about Cagayan, my feeling is such as mother and own child and then wants to side Gabkid. I am visiting Gabkid to their house. And then when I sight Gabkid, myself is such as wonders. I wonder because of feeling. The feeling is mother and own child. My wonders is why similar face. I not know. And then why assemble self, I not know. And then when it comes onto feeling, it is such as myself is putting on hysterical, such as, oh my god, there is a child. And then, is that my baby? I not know. Hysterical, there is feeling. I not know what to do, how to approach because of the situation is I suddenly sight him, and then I am just a vacationist indoor, and then vacationist, a person that is that do vacation on a specific location. Vacationist. What's wrong? I just say that word. Vocabulary. First time I say that on my talking in here. I'm not sexy. And then Marian Rivera tends to interfere because of my talking is about wedding of me and Alex ko. Marian Rivera is avoiding something of myself to talk about, such as about wedding. I not know why myself is being slapped the ear. And then, hmm, what else feeling? I hug Gab Kid. I hug Gab Kid. When I hug Gab Kid, such as the feeling is Mrs. Mrs. is feeling, and then I cry. I cry. I cry because of bonding. Not know why. And then when I sight his brown hair on top of his head, I think of he is not my child because of brown color hair. That is why. And then what else? Mm, he shows his uh, naked body to myself, and then evening during that moment, what it is about? Ifugaw daw, ifugaw. Red forehead talks, ifugaw. And then, huh? Myself is synchronous moment during year 2024 September. Red forehead talks, saying, if I am with you, kapag kasama mo ko, pupulbuhan mo ko. Sabi niya in English, if I am with you, you will put powder on me. Sabi niya, kid age. And then, what else it is? During that evening, Suddenly, his attitude differs from original, not the original, differs from his self. The attitude is such as girl gender, baby girl, not no. Oh, a while ago, I sleep suddenly, all of a sudden, and then it is the left eye that is being sleepy. When it comes to American Eagle, year 2023. No, year 2024 it is. Year 2023. American Eagle. I said it on Mirror. And then, yun, when uh, afternoon hour during previous day, I not know, wait, I not know the day. It is 3 day going at 3 day to 5 day going at Cagayan for Burial. When I said Gabkid with girl gender, Mikay, Mikay that is Mikay, I not know, girl gender, suddenly my right forehead is such as there is alcohol beverage, such as alcohol beverage, dizziness it is. I say to the person, huwag ka dikit sa kanya, hilo ko. Sabi ko, I not meant hatred in there. I feel dizzy lang talaga. I not know why. I'm not bossy. When I sight them being, when I sight them sitting and then sitting beside each other, I feel alcohol beverages in here and then dizziness is me. The girl gender is adult age rather than kid. Now I feel irritate and then, is that good? That is bad doing. I just think of Alex Jr. Go. And then what is being shows a while ago when I am talking about alcohol beverage is the father of Alex Jr. Go. And go, I feel anger vibes. And then, nothing more. Nothing more already about Gabkid. Only Gabkid is what I am saying. Nothing more. I am already on. What about mother of Gabkid? Mother of Gabkid. Should I include her in talking? Oh, mother of Gabkid. When it comes on to mother of Gabkid, oh, it is being shows on my right eye lingers on the year 2021, the mother of that bullying kid. Oh, sometimes my right eye is on ache because they pops up. I not know why. Oh, it is being shows na naman. It is being shows all of a sudden my memory at America. And then it is in here left eye. Wait lang, I will just draw it. 41 minute and 3 second. Camera video will end 45 minute and 30 second. Edit ko na next time. Okay. I just draw it. This one. Ta-da! Moment at America. And then, what else could I say? My eye is on ache. Oh, hi, raises up my eyebrow. No, no. I will end my camera video 44 minutes and 8 seconds.